Are you sick and tired of Uncle Sam taking a massive bite out of your hard-earned money? Not just now, but in retirement too? What if I told you that most financial experts are totally missing the point on the single most powerful way for average Americans to build wealth that the tax man can never touch? Yeah, you heard me. Most people, even those with fancy financial advisors, are walking straight into a retirement tax trap. They're told to dump their money into traditional 401(k)s and IRAs, deferring taxes for later. Sounds great, right? Wrong. That's just kicking the can down the road, hoping future tax rates are lower. Newsflash. With government spending going wild, do you honestly think taxes are going down in 20, 30, or 40 years? I don't think so. You're effectively building a massive savings account that's just waiting to get ransacked by future tax hikes. It's like buying a brand new car, paying for it, and then realizing later the dealership still owns the tires. It's a setup for disaster, and nobody wants to talk about it. But there's a secret weapon. A financial cheat code that lets you fight back and build a fortress of wealth that's completely immune to future taxes. It's called the Roth IRA. And when I say immune, I mean it. Every single dollar you put in and every single cent it earns over decades grows completely tax-free. When you pull it out in retirement, it's yours, all of it. No questions asked, no tax bill to dread. Imagine looking at your account statement, seeing millions, and knowing it's all yours. That's the power of the Roth. Now, it does have some rules, some limits, and some catches, like most powerful things do. But knowing them is half the battle. So how does this magic happen? It's simple, really. You contribute money that you've already paid taxes on, your after-tax dollars. Think of it as prepaying your taxes on your retirement savings. You pay a little bit now, but then, for the rest of your life and through your entire retirement, every penny of growth, every dividend, every capital gain is free and clear. Poof. Tax liability gone forever. This is absolutely critical for young adults starting out. And frankly, anyone who wants to ensure their golden years aren't overshadowed by tax headaches. For 2024, most people can put in up to $7,000 a year. And if you're 50 or older, you can dump in $8,000. It doesn't sound like much, but compound interest on a tax-free base is like rocket fuel for your money. Now here's where the system tries to put up a roadblock. The IRS, in their infinite wisdom, says if you make too much money, you can't contribute directly to a Roth IRA. For 2024, if you're single and make over about $161,000, or married filing jointly over $240,000, they start phasing you out. At a certain point, they just shut you down completely. Most people would throw their hands up and say, well, guess I can't build tax-free wealth then, now. And that's exactly what the experts want you to do. They'd rather sell you some complicated, fee-heavy annuity than show you the real power of the Roth. But that's where the Wall Street rebel comes in. Because there's a loophole, a completely legal, IRS-approved loophole that lets anyone, regardless of income, get money into a Roth IRA. It's called the backdoor Roth IRA. Sounds sneaky, right? It's not. It's a legitimate strategy, and it's surprisingly straightforward. Here's the play. You contribute money to a traditional IRA. Because you're above the income limits for a direct Roth contribution, you actually can't deduct that traditional IRA contribution, which is key. So you're putting in after-tax money, just like you would a Roth. Then, almost immediately, you convert that traditional IRA into a Roth IRA. Boom, the money is now in a Roth. Tax-free forever. The IRS knows about this. They've even issued guidance on it. It's not a gray area. It's a perfectly legal way for high-income earners to access this incredible tax benefit. But you need to be careful. There are a few nuanced tax rules, especially if you have other pre-tax traditional IRA money. A small misstep can mean an unexpected tax bill. So understanding the pro rata rule is absolutely vital. This isn't a strategy to blindly leap into, but it's absolutely worth navigating to unlock this level of tax-free growth. Now, why is this more important today than ever before? Look around. Inflation is eating away at our purchasing power. The stock market feels like a roller coaster, and our government is printing money faster than you can say, national debt. The writing is on the wall. Taxes are going up. They have to. When they do, people with traditional 401(k)s are going to get absolutely clobbered. Their future withdrawals will be taxed at potentially much higher rates. The Roth IRA is your financial shield, your economic weapon against this inevitable future. Any financial advisor telling you to just defer taxes with a 401k without also pushing for Roth contributions is either lazy, uninformed, or just trying to sell you something else. They're missing the boat on wealth preservation, and they're leaving you vulnerable. This isn't just about saving money. It's about protecting your future prosperity from forces actively working against it. Of course, no investment is without its nuances. The biggest risk with a Roth IRA is that you can't typically touch your earnings tax-free until you're 59 and a half, and the account has been open for at least 5 years. Pull money out early, and you might face penalties. But let's be real, this is retirement money. It's meant to be long-term. The market will have its ups and downs. That's a given. But the overriding benefit, the absolute guarantee of tax-free growth and withdrawals for life, makes those minor inconveniences feel like nothing. It's a no-brainer. Think about it. A financial vehicle where every dollar you earn, every investment gain, is forever free from the grasp of taxes. It offers peace of mind that a traditional 401k simply can't. You're trading a small, upfront tax payment for decades of certainty and massive savings. So what are you waiting for? This isn't rocket science, but it is powerful. First, figure out if you're eligible for a direct Roth contribution. Check those income limits for 2024. If you are, open an account with a reputable brokerage firm. Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, they're all solid choices. Second, if your income is too high, start researching the backdoor Roth strategy. Understand the steps, know the rules, and don't be afraid to take control of your financial future. And third, start contributing, even if it's just a small amount every month. The power of compounding on tax-free money over decades is astronomical. Small, consistent steps today will lead to massive wealth tomorrow. Don't just set it and forget it, though. Stay informed about rule changes. The government loves to tweak these things, so always keep an eye on updates. This isn't just about saving for retirement. It's about claiming your financial independence. It's about taking back control from a system that wants to keep you dependent. The Roth IRA is your secret weapon. Go out there and start building your financial freedom. Want to know the absolute best investments to put inside your Roth IRA to maximize that tax-free growth? Then click this video right here to discover the strategies the wealthy use.